acid, okay, and I'm going to put a little of sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. Okay, it is commonly called baking soda. We use it for making doklas and all at home.
संगीत के स्वर जो है सा, रे, गा, मा, प, ध, नी.
While the world has come to a standstill, we the students continue to learn through the online platform set up by the school management, for which I would like to extend my gratitude on behalf of all the students. This period has been emotionally challenging for all of us, but through the guidance of our school counselors who arranged special sessions for us, we're able to process our emotions in a totally healthy and positive manner. Our online classes take the help of educative media for concept clarity, which in the absence of classrooms has proven to be really beneficial.
Our school has started online lectures, keeping in mind the time constraint that we have and to keep up with the academic pace.
Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the world is on pause. It is the need of the hour to stay at home and be safe. During this time, the school has come up with a great initiative of starting online classes. Thank you for steadfast allegiance to teaching and making kids comfortable with your approachable, personable demeanor by yoga, music, and special thanks to counselors who counsel online with kids.
It is impossible for the students to go to school. Instead, the school has come home in the form of online classes. Today, not only academic subjects but also post-scholastic subjects are being taught online. Teachers are showing a lot of patience towards the students and trying to solve all their doubts online.
I am Saina Uda. I'm from Junior KGD. Bye.